Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for daily job opportunities and career tips. So today we are back with your daily job updates, and we have an amazing opportunity from EY, which is Ernest and Young. So one of the biggest consulting firm in the world. It is also known as one of the big four, and they are hiring for the role of associate software engineer under the GDS Global Delivery Service Unit. So let's get into the details. So as you can see, the job is of associate into software engineering field, which is DET, Development Engineering Associate for BE Tech hiring, fresher hiring. Basically, this is, and it is a fantastic entry level opportunity for engineering students. I mean, engineering graduates looking to start their tech career in a global consulting environment. So let's understand a little bit about the company, which is EY. So EY is a global delivery service. I mean. With 50,000 plus employees across 6 countries, and this only about the GDS. Overall, if you count, I think EY has around 3 lakh plus employees, and you'll be working with the teams from all over the world in technology, consulting, analytics, cyber, cloud, testing, and many more. So let's understand about the role and the development. Role overview, which is of software engineer, associate software engineer. So, as an associate software engineer in the consulting team, you will be working on modern technologies across areas. You might have to work into digital transformations, example UI UX, full stack, cloud, DevOps, blockchain, IoT, etc. You might also get the opportunity to work into data analytics, testing services, SAP, Oracle, banking tech, basically cyber security, technology risk, along with that, and so many other tech stacks. So you will be basically helping the team to deliver end-to-end solutions to global clients, and also working on the real world projects and the business problem. So this is all about the areas that you might have to work on, and the expertise that you will be gaining once you join the company as associate software engineer. And definitely it's gonna be a great exposure to anyone to start with one of the big four, enterprise. It's also the dream company of many. So this is all about the kind of basic introduction about the role, about the company, and all that. Now let's go deep into the skills required for this role. So to be eligible for this opportunity, you must have the basic understanding or the understanding of SDLC principle, knowledge of either of programming languages, for example, Java, Python, .NET framework, etc. And basics of data analytics or database like SQL, Oracle, Teradata is preferred. If you have the ability to work in teams, be uh, and if you have that detail oriented mind with a good analytical skill, then you will be given preferences. And any internship or project experience will put advantage over the other. So if you have some very good projects in your profile, so definitely add it in your resume. Your chances of getting shortlisted will definitely increase because of this. So this was all about the qualification and the, I would say, the uh, achievement that you can add to get shortlisted for this role. Now let's understand the basic eligibility. It's again skill set, but it's just the basic eligibility that I would say. So for being eligible for this role, you just need a degree in BE Tech from IT Computer Science circuit branches or related computer science branches, and with a 60% and above marks, or if you are having CGPA system, of course 6 CGPA above or 7 CGPA above will work, with no active backlogs during the during onboarding. So you must, even if you have, to just try to clear it by the end of the semester, and you are good to go. So what EY offers, now let's understand what they actually offers. So at EY you will get the global exposure, advanced technology, training, opportunity to build a career in consulting and tech. You'll also work with a global team, solve complex business problems, and grow very fast. So this is all about the what EY offers, required skill sets, qualifications, and all that. Now, how you can apply? So we have mentioned a direct link in the description. Go to the description of the YouTube video, and you will get the direct link for this opportunity and apply as soon as possible. Because as soon as their hiring is, the required number of hirings are done, they will close this job. So try to apply as soon as you get this job from us. So that's it for this wonderful opportunity. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the onwards for daily job alerts and career contents. Comment below if you have any doubt or if you need any resume related help and all that. We'll be more than happy to guide you and help you. That's it for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.